Hoy, Dora! So we are going to talk about nuclear power plant.
Yes, she's right.
So what is nuclear power plant? A nuclear power plant is a facility that generates electricity by using the energy released from splitting atoms, a process called nuclear fission. This energy heats water to create steam, which spins turbine to produce electricity. There are several key components of a nuclear power plant. First is reactor. Reactor is the heart of the plant where nuclear fission occurs, producing heat. Second is steam turbine. Steam turbine converts the energy from steam into mechanical energy. Last is generator. Generator transforms mechanical energy into electricity.
Wow, amazing. But what are the disadvantages and advantages of nuclear energy?
Oh wait, let me call Diego.
Damn, someone's calling. Oh, hey Dara.
Hi Diego, can you come here real quick? Cause I need your help.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
One eternity later.
Hello, Primo.
Hello Primo.
Hello, Boots. So what do you want, Dora?
Diego, I don't know what is the advantage and disadvantage of nuclear power plant.
Well, the advantage are nuclear power plant protects air quality by producing massive amount of carbon-free electricity. Bring more economic benefits than thermal power. Renewable generates lower emission costs than thermal energy and many more. While the disadvantage is that nuclear power generate waste from the materials used and there are concerns about possible accidents or leaks. Also, nuclear energy produces radioactive waste. The potential danger from an incident at a power plant is a contact radiation.
Wow, you are really smart, Diego.
Thank you, Dara. I hope I help you.
You helped me a lot, Diego. Thanks for coming by. Stay safe. Oh no! I forgot to ask about some local studies, trivias, and specific location in the Philippines.
I know the local studies and trivias, and map can tell you the specific location of it.
Really, that's great!
The Philippines has a complex history with nuclear power. While the country once embarked on nuclear energy path with the construction of the Bataan nuclear power plant, it was ultimately shelved due to various factors, including safety concerns and political instability. While not a recent study, the extensive work done on the BNPP provides a wealth of data and lessons learned. Studies on its construction, safety protocols, and the reason for its non-operation are valuable resources. Trivias about the Bataan Nuclear Power Plant or BNPP. The BNPP is the only nuclear power plant ever built in the Philippines. Despite being completed in 1984, the plant was never fueled or operated. The construction cost over $2.3 billion, making it a massive financial burden without any return. One of the reasons cited for not operating the plant was its proximity to activate fault lines.
Thank you, Boots. Now, I need map.
If there's a place you gotta go, I'm the one you need to know. I'm the map. I'm the map, I'm the map. If there's a place you gotta get, I can get you there, I bet. I'm the map. I'm the map, 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 I'm the map!
I'm the map, I'm the map.
Thank you, map. Wow, this is so cool. Now I understand the Philippines boasts a single nuclear power plant, the Bataan Nuclear Power Plant, situated on Napot Point in Morong, Bataan, approximately 100 kilometers west of the capital Manila. This facility has a unique history. Now, the only thing we need to do is to find out what is the relation of nuclear power plant to this various energy conversion, of course, with the help of Tico.
Hello guys, today we will be talking about those various energy conversions Doris been talking about.
Oh no, Swiper! Swiper, no swiping! Swiper, no swiping!
Oh man! Photoelectricity converts light energy into electrical energy. This is primarily achieved through photovoltaic cells, which utilize the photoelectric effects to generate electricity. Thermal emission is the process by which an object emits energy in a form of heat. This is a functional principle of physics, applicable to a wide range of systems, including nuclear power plants. Chemical conversion of energy is combustion in the fuel releases heat energy. Heat energy boils water to produce steam. Steam drives turbines, converting thermal energy into mechanical energy. Turbines rotate generators, converting mechanical energy into electrical. Electromagnetism is nuclear power plants generate electricity by harnessing the energy released from nuclear fission. This energy is converted into heat, which boils water to produce steam.
Thank you a lot, Tico. I learned a lot.
No problem, Dora. I'm always here to help.
We did it! We did it! We did it! So like, follow, and subscribe. Bye-bye!
Turn to look my way.